It is my pleasure to announce the launch of the Global Pathways program in partnership with Sister Nivedita University. This will be a 2+2 model where students will start their education at SNU, complete their first 2 years, and then move on to the Bowling Green State University's campus to complete the remaining 2 years.
In BGSU, we have partnered with SNU in India in a very unique case, very unique program.
Initially, we will offer 6 unique pathways leading to bachelor's degrees in computer science, cybersecurity, robotics, mechanical engineering, electrical and computer engineering, manufacturing engineering, and industrial engineering.
It's a golden opportunity for the students who aspire to be a global citizen.